Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to safely disable Windows Defender on Windows 11 in 2025. Just a heads up, make sure you install another antivirus first because Windows Defenders protect you from threats by default. So without any further ado, let's get started. So why you might disable it. Sometimes you will need to disable Windows Defender if it is blocking trusted apps using too much CPU or if you are using another trusted antivirus, but always be careful. So first you just need to click onto the start button, and once you click over here then you just need to go ahead with setting options. Once you click over here then you just need to go and stay on this privacy and security options. Once you come over here then find it out Windows security. Here into the top under the security panel you will find out that options, and you just need to click over here. Once you come over that page you just need to click virus and threat protections, and then click manage setting under the virus and threat protection settings. So you just need to click this one. Once you click over here it will open here, and you just need to toggle real-time protection off in here. This will temporarily disable Windows Defender until you restart your PC, perfect for installing software that Defenders block. Remember, it may turn back on automatically for your safety. Then, if you want to fully disable Defender, use the local group policy editor, but only if you know what you are doing. You just need to click on Windows plus R, then you will get something like this, and then you just need to be type that one called gpedit and .msc. Here actually you can see, and you just need to be hit enter, and that will give you an options where you just need to go to the computer configuration, administrative templates, and then select Windows components, and eventually you will need to be select Defender antivirus Microsoft. You just need to double click turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus and set it to enable, and just click OK. Restart your PC. Defender will be disabled. Be enabled when needed. To turn it back, just go back and set the name or same group policy setting to not configure, or turn real-time protection back on a new Windows security. And that's it, how to you can safely disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.